My name's Lauren and welcome to my channel. I mostly make gaming videos for those who do not know, so this video is very new to me. So far I've only done one other unboxing video, but that was on my other channel, so we'll see how this goes. I know that I'm very late to the game. I am aware, don't worry. It was just a lot of money to spend and I kept thinking like, oh, what if this amazing sale comes around? Which never really happened, so I just decided to, invest. And I bought myself a Nintendo Switch with Zelda. Because Zelda. Although you probably have seen this video a million times already on other people's channels, I just really wanted to share my experience with you guys, and I just want you to see my first reaction. So without further ado, let's just dive into the Nintendo unboxing. Let me just get it. Oh god. First of all, this is the Zelda game. It's so tiny. It reminds me of the little PSP format games. Let's open this up before we head into the big old Switch. Right, so this is what it looks like. Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, and let's open this up. Oh, it's so tiny. It's so small. It really reminds me of the actual Nintendo DS cartridges, which is quite cool. It doesn't come with a booklet or anything with extra information, which I find a little bit strange because that's what the DS games used to be like, but that's fine. So here's the Nintendo Switch box. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's really matte and satisfying. It just makes me very happy to look at. It is a bit smaller than I thought it would be. Like I think it's about as big as my head, or maybe a tiny bit bigger than my head. Let's do this. Let's open it up. Okay, so I decided to move the box because it's a little bit more convenient to look at it this way. But here's the box. Let's open this up. Woo! I'm excited. Okay, so the first thing I noticed, obviously, is the actual screen. It comes with, so there we go. It's packaged really nicely. I'm definitely gonna get this smudged with my dirty ass fingers, but I think there must be some kind of protective sleeve over it, although maybe not. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I definitely already got a smudge on there. And then here we've got, obviously I got the neon one because, neon's more fun. So here's the little controllers. Test it. So I'm guessing, okay. Oh, that's not too hard, that's easy. Cool, oh my god, this is quite big. Holy crap, love it. I absolutely love the look of it. It's 100% my kind of thing. I actually was gonna wear a jumper for this today that really suits the neon vibes. Okay, so here's the second layer. So here we've got, what's this? So we've got that, and then we've got, okay, so this is for the controller. It looks very clean and neat. And then you just slide the little controller things in there. What's this? This is the other side for this thing. So I'm guessing that's to put on this side, so when you just want to play with your hands, so hand-free. That makes a lot of sense. That's what that is for. And then we've got a little booklet with information about the Switch and how to set it up. I'm guessing this is an HDMI cable. And then I'm pretty sure this is the charger. How are you finding this unboxing so far? Can you tell I'm not used to doing this kind of stuff? Right, and then this is the block to properly charge the shit out of this Switch. So you just pop it in there. Alright, that makes a lot of sense. I'm smudging it so bad already. I think that's everything. So I guess let's just start setting it up, right? I'm pretty sure I didn't miss anything. And here is the Switch. It looks so freaking beautiful. Words cannot explain how much I love this thing. Oh my god, it's already dirty, no. Ooh, it feels really smooth. So this is my unboxing for the Nintendo Switch. I'm now going to try it out and show you that, and then I'll give you a review in the next couple of days, I guess. It's so freaking beautiful. I'm very happy with it. And it is bigger than I expected, which is a good thing. I was complaining about the size of the box, but this is, you know. So I've been setting up to our massive TV screen, as you can tell. So I'm now making my account. God, I'm excited. So this is the Nintendo eShop. So I'm currently shopping for some free games. I already got Tetris, and I'm planning on getting some more because I heard Paladins is really fun too. So I'm doing that now. So yeah, it forced me to put my language in Dutch instead of English, which is a little bit annoying, but I guess I'll be able to change that later on. At least I hope so. So let's get some free games and then start playing Zelda. I've also turned these little guys into little nunchucks, as you can see. And I'm planning on putting it in the actual controller because that would be just a lot easier to use than riding with a freaking nunchuck. Alright guys, that was my little unboxing video on the Nintendo Switch. I will definitely discuss more about the Nintendo Switch in a different video. I'll probably do a review on the Nintendo Switch sometime soon when I've probably tried out different games with different people and different game modes. I'm also planning on doing a little series on all the free games that come with the Nintendo Switch, because there are some free to start games available like Tetris 99 or I think Paladins, just stuff like that. So I do want to do a little series on those and just test those out. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. I can't wait to properly play Zelda with this. I'm definitely going to start playing as soon as this video is done. I'm very excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little bit noobish, but bear with me. It's my first unboxing video ever. So if you have any tips for the next one, or if you want to see me unbox something else, or if you want to see some other reviews, let me know. And if there's anything in specific you would like to see on my Nintendo Switch series, please let me know. Alright everyone, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel to see if I'm going to upload anything else. I mean, I probably will. What am I even saying? Just subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this space, basically. And like this video to show your support. I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye!